What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So what we're finally doing today, we're finally going to be revealing what was in that box that was in the back seat that's no longer there, which I don't know why I took it out. I should have taken it out, but I had to find a way to get out of the house now. But so I'll show you guys later what's inside that box. But right now I got the tuner in the back there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's right back there. The VMP tuner. So we're going to be tuning my dad's car and surprising him with it, but also we're going to be installing a new part of the car. Let me go. Let's go get. I'm gonna go get home and go eat dinner, and then I'll get somehow some way get the freaking box out of the house and put it inside his car, and we're gonna drive it over to Acme, our local food market, and I'm gonna install it there. What's inside the box? All right, guys. So what's inside the box here is a cold air intake. Okay, I'm gonna do this real quick because my dad's inside, and we're gonna hurry this one up. But so we got this thing, a big giant filter here. Got that. Got this guy here, and a big guy here that goes inside and replaces the factory thing. So I snuck through my window over there, just getting past him. But he's watching TV right now, so hopefully he stays in there watching TV. Hopefully. Right. So my dad walked out. He doesn't know what I got him still, but I got the, what do you call it? I had the thing on the hood, and he walked towards the mailbox where I had the toolbox slid on, like halfway underneath the car, and he saw that part. So I was like, all right, I got you a surprise, but you need to go back inside. So I don't think I saw me the entire time, but yeah. So basically he walked out. I just told him I had a surprise for him because he saw the toolbox after he walked down, and I left the stupid engine cover thing on top of the truck, so he saw that. So he knows there's a surprise, but he doesn't know what it is yet, so still be good. And this is what it looks like after, guys. Got it all installed, I believe, at least. I got the connector back on, that. Just gotta put the engine hood thing back on this guy. All right, guys, there she is, all together. Now I was waiting for the tune, then fully install, and we're gonna go inside and. Come up. You'll see. You'll see.